Summary of Marketing Made Simple. Step-by-Step StoryBrand Guide for Any Business, by Donald Miller, written and narrated by Janky Mind. Introduction. Discover the power of marketing made simple, an indispensable guide designed to elevate your brand to new heights. This practical and comprehensive manual presents a proven 5-point system that will effectively channel a steady flow of new customers to your business. While your company may already achieve a satisfying level of sales each quarter, envision the untapped potential of reaching a vast array of clients you haven't yet connected with. Embrace the opportunity for continuous growth, and this captivating audiobook will be your trusted companion on this transformative journey. Inside, you'll find a 5-part plan meticulously crafted to cultivate sales. It unveils precise steps that not only attract new customers but also nurture and retain them. Master the art of developing a seamless and efficient sales funnel that continually captures the attention of potential clients, addresses their needs, and ultimately seals the deal, time and time again. By incorporating the strategies outlined here, your business will finally unlock its true potential. Within this engaging audiobook, you'll explore the parallels between marketing and dating, learn how to perform a foolproof grunt test, and discover the essential elements of crafting a compelling one-liner. Prepare to empower your brand and revolutionize your marketing approach, as Marketing Made Simple leads you towards unprecedented success. Chapter 1: Marketing stimulates the interest and curiosity of potential customers, leading to their enlightenment and eventual conversion. Imagine you have created a groundbreaking product or an incredible book filled with captivating content. Maybe you've designed a state-of-the-art stereo system that audiophiles would adore. Or perhaps you've crafted the most delectable breakfast pastry ever tasted. Now, with such amazing offerings, one might assume customers would flock to buy them. However, it's not that simple. Even if you have a flawless product, people won't purchase it if they don't know about it. This is where the art of marketing comes into play. Marketing goes beyond branding. It involves connecting people with products or services they might not even know they need. While branding shapes how people perceive your company, marketing's purpose is to demonstrate the value of your products in a way that resonates with customers. It's a multi-stage process that begins with curiosity, catching the potential customer's attention in a split second through compelling visuals or engaging advertisements. Once curiosity is piqued, the next stage is enlightenment. Here, the marketing campaign fills in the details, explaining how the product or service solves specific problems and enhances the customer's life. It could be a thrilling synopsis of the book or a technical explanation of the superior sound quality delivered by the stereo system. Finally, the critical stage is commitment. This is where you ask the customer to make a purchase and provide a direct call to action, which often leads to sales. For example, placing a prominent Buy Now button on your website reminds visitors to take the plunge. While the marketing process may sound challenging, there's a way to streamline it. In the upcoming chapters, we'll delve into a 5-part plan to guide you through this journey. Chapter 2: Enhance your business sales with a concise and captivating one-line pitch. In the bustling city of Hollywood, studio executives make rapid judgments on film projects, either turning them into blockbusters or discarding them. This puts immense pressure on ambitious writers who believe in their scripts, compelling them to create an effective pitch in no time. Hence, every writer crafts a one-liner for their project, a snappy sentence designed to instantly captivate the attention of executives. But these one-liners aren't exclusive to the film industry. Smart companies should also create compelling and concise pitches for their products. At its core, a one-liner is a memorable statement that succinctly summarizes what your business offers, far more substantial than a mere catchphrase. It consists of 3 crucial elements: identifying a problem, presenting your product as the solution, and showcasing the beneficial result. For instance, if you're selling a vitality vitamin, Your one-liner might start with, "Many people struggle with fatigue," then present your solution as, "We've created a vitamin that provides balanced energy from morning till night," and finally highlight the result. So you can feel fresh and strong all day, every day. This well-crafted one-liner is suitable for business cards, social media campaigns, and quick elevator pitches. Chapter 3: Craft a website that caters perfectly to your customers' needs. The internet is an immense realm with countless websites, constantly growing each day. Standing out amidst this vastness may seem challenging, but the key is not flashy extravagance. Instead, an effective website is one that serves as a powerful sales generator, achieved through a simple and purposeful approach. To attain this, many companies invest substantial sums in hiring skilled web developers. Yet, even the most talented designers may sometimes prioritize style over substance. To ensure your website truly works for you, collaborate with your web developer to create a straightforward and impactful wireframe, solely focused on selling. A well-designed wireframe places the most crucial information at the forefront, smoothly guiding visitors towards a call to action. It commences with a clear and concise header, succinctly conveying your offerings. Right below, the call to action to make a purchase should be prominently displayed. As visitors scroll further, additional details can be fleshed out. You may include a brief section elaborating on your product's value proposition, essentially expanding upon your one-liner. This should highlight the problems your products solve, the solutions they offer, and the positive impact they can have on customers' lives. While a captivating video can be considered, ensure that the information is also presented in simple text. Towards the bottom of the website, entice potential customers who may still be undecided. Provide more in-depth insights into your product's mechanics, your company's background, and feature short and informative testimonials from satisfied customers. These details should persuade hesitant visitors. Naturally, another call to action should be included, offering customers another chance to make a purchase before they leave the site. Chapter 4: Compile a roster of potential clients by offering captivating lead-generating PDFs. Picture yourself at a vibrant party, engaging with diverse guests. Among them, you find a few fascinating individuals you'd love to reconnect with in the future. To achieve this, you exchange contact information like business cards or emails. As a marketer, your objective is to become that captivating partygoer by amassing a substantial list of potential clients, known as leads, who willingly share their contact details and express interest in your product or service. To build an effective marketing campaign, it's essential to collect contacts and generate strong leads. One successful method for this purpose is employing a lead generator, which entices prospects with an appealing offer or service in exchange for their contact information. This can take various forms, including free product samples, access to events or webinars, or even a well-crafted PDF containing valuable information. The key to crafting these lead-generating products lies in providing clear benefits to potential leads and ensuring they can be consumed within a brief time frame, such as a 20-minute read. For instance, if you run an electric bicycle company, your lead generator might showcase the top 10 ways e-bikes save time and money. Alternatively, as a digital business consultancy, you could offer a PDF with 5 easy ways to optimize a sales website. To initiate the exchange process, place an advertisement or pop-up on your website, inviting interested visitors to receive your insights via email. Inquisitive customers will willingly provide their contact information, granting you a valuable means to connect with future leads. In the subsequent chapter, we will delve into what to do next in this lead nurturing process. Chapter 5: Foster a strong client relationship through a well-crafted 2-stage email campaign. Envision a typical romantic relationship, where the journey from first glances to I do's is a gradual process of building trust and rapport. Similarly, in business relationships, establishing a strong connection with clients requires time and an effective marketing strategy. Let's assume you have created an excellent lead-generating PDF and gathered a list of potential clients. Now, the next crucial step is to proactively convert these leads into sales through a two-stage email campaign. Step 1 involves the nurture campaign, akin to drip campaigns, where you engage your leads consistently with valuable information over time. Sending informative emails approximately once a week is a great approach. Some ideas include industry news roundups, tips and tricks on using your product, or interviews with important clients. The aim is to build trust and keep your business at the forefront of customers' minds. Step 2 is the direct sales campaign, which follows the nurturing process. By now, potential clients may be ready to make a purchase. In this stage, send an email with a clear and compelling offer, accompanied by a time-limited call to action. For example, you could present your most prized product at a 20% discount, encouraging customers to act within the next 24 hours. This creates a sense of urgency and prompts them to click that buy button. To enhance the effectiveness of your emails, consider a few style pointers. Craft catchy subject lines that are short and attention-grabbing, drawing inspiration from magazine adverts. Always use a light and informal tone with short sentences, making sure to write in your own voice, as this will resonate well with your clients. Chapter 6: Energize your marketing campaign by orchestrating 6 strategic meetings. Allow us to introduce Doug and Maria, a happily married couple who have just acquired their dream home, an elegant Victorian mansion. Though excited, they are faced with the challenge of transforming their fixer-upper into the luxurious residence they envision. Instead of approaching the task haphazardly, they sit down and meticulously chart out a detailed plan, outlining each step and milestone to make the project more manageable. Similarly, this methodical approach can be applied to revamp your company's marketing strategy. By now, you probably understand the advantages of crafting a well-developed marketing pipeline, as we discussed in previous chapters. However, putting the entire plan into action might seem overwhelming. The good news is that even the most hesitant businesses can achieve this goal with a simple step-by-step approach. Start by scheduling 6 meetings, each dedicated to covering one crucial step of the marketing process. The aim is to establish a strong foundation before progressing to the next stage. Let's explore these meetings. Meeting 1: Set overall goals and create a timeline for the entire project. Meeting 2: Lay the marketing groundwork by crafting a compelling one-liner. Meeting 3: Design a comprehensive wireframe website. Meeting 4: Develop a lead generator and outline 2 email campaigns to target leads. Meeting 5: Analyze the entire sequence to ensure smooth flow from one-liner to final sale, envisioning the customer journey. After completing these 5 meetings, it's time to put your well-crafted plan into action. Yet, there's one more crucial meeting, the 6th and final one, which comes a bit later. During this session, evaluate your results and assess whether your marketing plan is meeting its goals. Identify any areas where customers drop out in the process and use this information to refine and strengthen your next campaign. With practice and dedication, you'll establish a well-oiled marketing machine that drives your business to success. Summary: to ensure the success of even the most brilliant products and services, a well-executed marketing campaign is essential. Such a campaign not only educates potential consumers about your business but also guides them towards making a purchase. It all begins by crafting a captivating one-liner and designing a user-friendly website. From there, focus on fostering a relationship with clients through lead-generating initiatives and a strategic email campaign. To bring the entire plan to fruition, arrange 6 meetings to address each critical step. Here's some tips: strive to make your website pass the grunt test. A truly effective website should be so simple and clear that even a caveman could understand it. Take a moment to analyze your web page from this perspective. Would a caveman comprehend what your firm offers? Could he see how your product would enhance his life? And would he easily grasp how to make a purchase? If you can confidently imagine your imaginary Neanderthal grunting a resounding yes to these questions, congratulations, you've successfully passed the test. This audiobook summary was brought to you by Janky Mind. We hope you enjoyed it.